Hey folks, I wanted to give you a quick update on the KS16x random tiltback problem. A couple of you know I've encountered it a few times, about 6 times in 60 miles, and today it happened again, so 7 times now. I had been in communication with Kingsong about this and eWheels, just to let you know. This was the reply back from them as they were trying to figure it out. Today it occurred for me though, when I went to my local motorcycle shop. There's a guy there who saw me buying the gear with the specific thing and asked about it. So I wheeled in the wheel under its own power. He asked if it played some music. I did the motorcycle revving and the idling, and then I popped on a song, Claude's Vertigo, and I rode around the shop. And as I was doing that, it tilted forward very slowly. I was going about 2 to 5 miles an hour because it was a tight shop and what have you. And then it tilted backward very slowly, and then it remained tilted back. And so I got off and I took 2 photos of it, which I'll show you here. The first one is of the trolley all the way up against a vertical, so you can see the lean more visibly, I guess, and the second one of the pedals themselves. Now, what I heard from the rumor grapevine is that since the second one, I got the support note back saying they were looking at it. They have since debugged it down to the Bluetooth module, causing radio interference in the control board, and that they think they can fix it in the firmware by changing the frequency. And so I'm still waiting to hear whether that's a true rumor or a real thing, or if they need to do shielding on the control board or what have you. Ambient temperature outside was 89 degrees, but it was in an air-conditioned car, and the shop was 78 degrees, so heat not a problem. You can see the full battery charge as well, not a problem. It had been freshly calibrated using the packaging method, not by hand. So it's really kind of an ideal controlled environment, except for the Wi-Fi and the electrical noise, so that makes a lot of sense to me as to what might be the cause there. Anyway, still waiting on a firmware for the oscillation forward and back fix, still waiting on the Kingsong app to be updated, and of course now still waiting on a firmware fix for the Bluetooth, or whatever you want to call this, high torque, low speed random tiltback is. There's your update.